Hi guys, I'm Cheers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you Filipino snacks. It's halo-halo mix. So I have here ice. So I'm gonna crush this ice for our halo-halo. So I'm using my instant pot blender here to crush the ice, guys. Turn the power on. You know why? Just crushed ice. Press crushed ice. Oh, there's thing. I have here the jackfruit candy that I made. OB ice cream. The halo-halo mix. And why didn't start? Start. Evaporated milk and cornflakes. So let's press the ice. So it's done. So I don't want to use this, guys. I think it's not good. So I'm plugging this. The halo-halo is the star of the show, halo-halo. So I'm gonna have to empty this in the container, guys. I'll show you what's in there. It has the sweet beans. And I'm gonna empty the fruit mix. So we have fruits in there. You can use fresh if you have this one. It's sweetened already. Oh. So this is the fruit mix. And this is the halo-halo mix that it has makapuno, some gelatines, and some jackfruits. You see that one. So first, oh sorry, put that in there. What we're gonna do is put ice in our halo-halo thing. Some ice. Put some of the halo-halo on the bottom, and then our fruit mix.
Kayla, what's she doing?
And the ice. Crushed ice, guys. Put that in there. More of the jackfruit because I love jackfruit. This is the candy jackfruit. So pour that on top. Get some homemade OB ice cream. My ice cream scooper. Hi! Sorry. One. Just go there. So I love obe and a drizzle of evaporated milk, guys. And don't forget our cornflakes for crunchiness. Now we're gonna mix that. We're gonna mix this thing, guys. So, halo halo, yummy yummy. So we're gonna mix this thing, and we're gonna eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. So mix. That's why it's called halo. Filipino is mix. Oh, halo. In America, mix. So mix. Everything is mixed. It's good. The chocolate candy is good. So good, guys. Halo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.